Let's start the workout. Roll out your mat. We start in a sitting position. So make sure to come onto your sitting bones. So move your buttocks a little bit to the side so you can really feel your sitting bones in the ground, and then use your hands to really straighten your spine. So the crown of the head is pulling you up. Open your feet shoulder wide, flex your feet and press your heels firmly into the floor. This will release some tension in your hip flexor here. So let's start with tucking the tailbone under. Draw the navel in towards the spine. That means you slightly round the lower back, but try to keep the upper back straight. So imagine there's a thread attached at your sternum which is pulling you up, shoulders low. So let's turn on the music and let's start with the first exercise. So first option is here to support you with your hands. So as you inhale, come up, and as you exhale, lean back. This is our first exercise. Here we go. Come up for 2, 1, 2, and down for 2. Support yourself with your hands. If this feels good for you, then release the arms. Come into a first ballet position with your fingertips in front of your belly button. Up, down, down. Now, if you want more, then bring your arms up. Make sure to feel this exercise in your abdominal muscles, not in your back. If you feel this exercise in your back, bring your arms back into the first position. The more you lean back, the more intense the exercise gets. And down, down. Now try to synchronize the movement with the breath. So as you inhale, come up. As you exhale, come down. Tuck the tailbone under as you lean back. Last one. Stay low. Now rotate to the right. Rotate, come back to center, just to the right side, and rotate. Inhale back to center. Exhale. And inhale, pressing your heels into the floor. Good work. If this feels good for you, you can speed it up, but you don't have to. Rotating the upper body to engage your obliques. Work with your breathing rhythm. Last 2. Switch over to the other side, slowly rotating to the left and come back to center. Shoulders are moving away from your ears. Lift the sternum up. Belly button in and up. Good work. Speed it up. Let's go. Side and center. Work in full range of motion. Rotate as far as you can, so you really engage your lateral abdominal muscles, your obliques. Exhale, inhale. Four more here. 4, 3, 2, and the last one. Place your forearms onto the floor. Good work. Now make sure to press the floor away with your forearms, so really come out of your shoulders. Now lifting the leg one by another. So right and the left. Speed it up. Let's go. Up and down. Up and down. Again, focus on your contraction in your powerhouse, so draw the navel in towards the spine. If this feels good for you, then speed it up. A little scissor movement here. Right and left. Right and left. Good. Now, if you want more, it's just an option. Extend your legs. We do 8 more. 7. Stay here with bent legs, or come back and stretch your legs. Good work. Let's go for another 8. 8, 7, 6. Make the movement as big as you can. Abdominal muscles already shaking. Good work. And then bring the heels back onto the floor. Come back up onto your hands. Grab the back of your thighs. And then let yourself sink into your stretched arms. Roll down vertebra by vertebra. Bring your head onto the floor. Now, let's straighten the pelvis so your lower back comes down onto the floor. This is happening with the help of your abdominal muscles. Now, try to keep the connection between the lower back and the floor. Let's step to the front with the feet. 4, 3. Keep the connection between the lower back and the floor. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2. Good work. Keep going. Now for the next exercise, you can decide whether you want to bend your legs or extend your legs. Let me show you the exercise first with bent legs. Hold it here. Now, bringing the right leg towards your chest and come back. Just the right one. Yes. We turn the leg out so the knee is facing to the side and the heel wants to reach to your chest. Now, bringing your fingertips behind your ears and come up as you exhale. In lower. Try to tap to your heel. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, down. Now, support your head with the right hand. Now, you can also do this exercise with long legs, but make sure you keep the connection between the lower back and the floor. Good. 2 more here. Last one. Now again, come up, hold the contraction, extend the leg up, bend it, knee to the side and lower. Again, crunch it up, tap to your heel, lengthen the leg, hold the tension in your abdominal muscles and release. 2 more like this. Lengthen, exhale, inhale, lower. Last one slowly, come up, tap to your heel, extend, bend and release. Speed it up if you feel comfortable with this movement or stay in the slow version. Exhale, inhale. Support your head with the right hand. 4 more to go. Two more. Last one. Good. Let's continue with a diagonal crunch here. Same leg movement, but now let's try to touch your right thigh with the left elbow. Again, slowly. Exhale as you come up and inhale as you lower. Got it? Speed it up. Here we go. Exhale, inhale. Do it in your breathing rhythm. That's totally fine. Feeling the power in your obliques. Try to reach to your thigh. 8 more. 7, 6. Elbows nice and wide so we really get the power out of your obliques and not your arms. Last one. And relax. Bring your head down onto the floor. Take some time to recovery. Let's switch over to the other side. So again, you have the possibility to choose between stretched legs. Make sure the lower back is touching the floor, or you come back into the bend position. So now we bring the left knee in and bring it back onto the floor. So turn the leg out, which means the knee is facing to the side and the heel wants to pull to your chest. When you're ready, take your time, then add the crunch. So bring the left fingertips behind your ears and add the crunch. Up for 2, down for 2. Try to tap to your heel. Work with the breathing rhythm. Exhale. Support the head with the left hand. Make sure you have enough space under your chin, preferably a fist wide, to lengthen your neck. Now let's add the leg extension. So we come up, hold it here, just extend the leg, bend, and release, come down. So our aim is to keep our shoulder blades in the air. Tap to your heel and come down. Good work, 2 slowly. Last one, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale. If you feel comfortable with this movement, speed it up. Up, lengthen, and come down. Choose your pace, keep working. Last one. Last session here, the diagonal crunch. Come up, try to tap to your thigh, and come back down. Now try to tap to your left thigh with the right elbow, and come back. So upper body is moving towards the leg, not the other way around. Double time. Up, down, up, down. Move your upper body to your thigh. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Can we do one more 8? Yes, let's go. We can do it together. Woo! 7, 6. Just 4 more to go. Last one. And then lengthen your legs, lengthen your arms, interlace your fingers, and pull your hands away from your feet and the other way around. Lengthen your abdominal muscles. Good work. And then bring your right knee to your chest, grab your shin, and press the shin into your hands to come back into a sitting position in a relaxed way. Good work. Stretch up, relax, shake it out. You're done! I'm so proud of you. I hope you like this workout. Stay healthy, keep moving, and hopefully see you soon in the next workout.